another day again. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you everyone. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to a big thank you to all my viewers. A big thank you to all my supporters, every one of you that have been sharing my video, watching, and please, 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 I still need a bit more. I need more. Still help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please just press that subscribe button, that red rod subscribe. Press it, it's free, you don't need to pay to support your girl. Please, if this is your first time, welcome to Lisachrist Kitchen, and today we're going to be making stir fry noodles, and I've got all the ingredients ready over here. I've got mushroom, I've got bean sprout, and I'm using bay pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't know it, this is scotch bonnet. And I'm using onion, and I'm using bacon as well. I'm still going to be using some black bean stir fry sauce, and also some soya sauce as well. And I've got noodles. I'm going to be using a pack and a little. And the whole ingredients that you see here today is for 5 people's meal. For 5 people's meal, you know, without wasting. And I'm going to be using beef no cube, and some oil. I'm using olive oil today, you know, with some salt as well, to give it a bit of more taste with the Maggi, you know. Without wasting much time, let's just begin. I've got the hot water. I've got the hot water ready. I actually boiled my water first. It's very, very necessary for you to have a boiled water so that your noodles will soak the water, because if it's cold, you will soak the water. Then you put a bit of vegetable oil inside the boiling water so that it won't stick. Some people they sometimes they wonder why does their noodles stick. You know, it's because you don't put a bit of vegetable oil. Just put a bit of vegetable oil so that it won't stick. Then you start putting your noodle strips inside your hot water or boiling water, as you like to call it. And to be adding more. Yeah. Stir it with a wooden spoon. Stir it. This is a pack and a half. Pack and a half. I think I actually got these noodles from Aldi. It's very nice. If you haven't tried it before, it's nice. You stir it around. Let's not forget if we put salt. No, I've not put salt. Don't forget to put salt. I actually forgot I'm supposed to put salt in the water first. In hot water. Put salt in your hot water. Stir it around. You have to check properly that it has actually dissolved, like it's not in that bunch anymore. And this time we cover it up for it to come to a boil for just like few minutes. It's a very quick and easy food to cook, very quick. Cover it up. Then I'm going straight to doing the vegetables now. If you haven't seen the name, it's noodles. It's noodles. Don't pardon my accents, okay? I'm trying. English is a stolen language for me, okay? I'm trying my best. Fine. We put our olive oil in the pot. olive oil, you don't need to really put much. This quantity should be enough for us, okay? It's quite expensive as well. Then you first put like 1 onion to check if it's hot. You don't really have to wait for it to be that hot. Then we start putting, as you can see, the noodles is going up now. Then you have to take off the middle, take the middle away, so that it won't evaporate and go everywhere. Just leave it to start cooking there. Put the onion. Then I put my bacon first, because I want the bacon to be really cooked. Okay, at this time I put my bean sprout and my mushroom. I'll make a clip. This is where I put my scotch bonnet and bay pepper. Begin to love this. It's a very healthy food, very healthy. Seeing, if you love what you're seeing, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe, help me share my video, let it go viral. It doesn't mean, please, you know, want it to get up there. Subscribe, share and comment. Make a very good comment on our videos, please. That is the help I actually want. If you love what you see, share the videos, please. Let it go around, let it go round, please. This is where I put the beef stock and put the pepper and the salt as well. I'll put a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, oh no, that's okay. I don't want it to be too much. Let's control the quantity of salt. And I have a bit of vegetable seasoning as well, just a little bit. Really taste. Stir it up. So you take your noodles, you can see it's really soft now. Take it out. Take it out. The noodles is cooked now. As you can see, it looks soft. I don't really want mine to be really that soft. Then I just take it straight to the sink, sieve it and wash it so that it can stop cooking, you know, before I mix it with the chicken. Yeah, the noodles is already been washed. It's already been washed. I put it on the sieve. It's drilling our water. Then sometimes I put a bit of the sour sauce here. I'm going to do transfer of pot now. Moving it around because that pot looks a bit smaller. There's no water in the noodles anymore. Start putting the noodles gradually. Put a bit of the sauce on it. Stir it. This is where it comes, where you put your stir fry sauce. You have to really be careful when you put in your salt and pepper on it as well, because some of this sauce have got salt on it. Stir it together. Put it together. I'm using foam because I want it to just coffee. Sauce. Wait. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I'm loving it. This is where I put my vegetables in. I put them gradually. Mix them up. I'm actually serving it with chicken. I didn't actually show you guys how to do the chicken because I'm just concentrating more of the noodles. The day we're going to be doing chicken, I will do a separate video for how I prepare my chicken, okay? Because I have different way of preparing chicken. You know, the day I will do that, it's going to be on a separate video. I don't like doing meat and chicken at the same time. It will obstruct the video. You know, this is just stir fry noodles. Stir fry noodles. You can as well not eat it. Put chicken as a side because he has got bacon. If you are vegetarian, you don't need that. You know, this is just going to be veg stir fry. This looks so amazing and beautiful. It looks so nice and tantalizing. Oh my god. Yeah. Our noodles is ready now. It's ready. You can see. See how it came out nice. Very beautiful. That is the outcome of these noodles. Stir fry noodles. I love stir fry.
Ooh, that looks so nice.
Covered for 2 hours. Absolutely nice. Very nice and yummy. Give it a try at home. Try it. It's very nice. As I promised, I'll show you guys how I make and season my chicken on a separate video. Okay? Enjoy yourself. And thank you for watching my cooking and enjoying it as well. And please still help me share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. Subscribe because you are missing a lot. And press that notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be the first person to get notified to get my video and watch it. Okay? And help me share and make a very